And we're all playing board games.
¿Qué pasó ahí?
Seriously, every turn? Hey, back off.
Oh, yeah. Amy told me that.
No. Ooh. Okay.
Oh my God, it's a pretty boy.
He is really cute.
Oh, thank you much.
He looks a lot like Mom.
Thanks.
You're like, even better.
Thanks to Mom. Thank God every day for that.
Go see him.
Look at his crazy hair.
Trust me. Do you imagine that?
He's doing good.
He's doing a lot better than we thought, right?
Yeah. Lucas.
Uru.
Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing?
Mira, mamá. Bueno, vamos a poner una cosa. Mira.
So, I hear you become interested in trees.
¿Qué hago?